Christopher says he is considering buying a home, but it's apparently on the line of two different school districts. So that's kind of interesting, Chuck, and I've seen this before. And is it even possible? But apparently it is. He asked in an email, he says, how does one decide which school district that his kids need to go to? Is that even something that you could even address?
Well, I've got 6 kids, and there were instances when we moved that, you just don't have a choice. You go to that school district, or you come up with I think there was one time, and this is going back maybe 20 years, where, we wrote a letter to try and get this school to allow us to whatever.
They call it like the hardship transfer.
Yeah, something like that.
You're out of school and you moved and you're close in state and you were there for so long, and you appeal to the board.
Yeah, you appeal to the board. If I remember correctly, that time it worked, but it's entirely up to them. But how do you choose which schools you go into? Well,
if your home is on the line between two school districts,
yeah. So
I think you got to call the school district is what I
they're ultimately the ones that are going to make that choice for you, and then you get to appeal it, and they're still going to be the ones hearing the appeal.